Hi, my name is John Marsden from onlinecomputerbackup.eu. Today I'm going to take a look at Dropbox, the online file backup, syncing and sharing application. One of the things I like about Dropbox is how simple it is to set up and use. So let's get started so you can see for yourself. Click on the download Dropbox button to get started and follow the simple installation instructions. If this is your first installation of Dropbox, accept the default to set up a new account and click Next. Then you fill in your details and click Next. Now you choose your account type. You have a choice of a 2 GB free account, a 10 GB account for $4.99 a month, or a 50 GB account for $9.99 a month. You can also change your account size at any time once you're set up. Next, you'll see a few tutorial screens. You can skip these if you prefer, or take a look. Now you get the chance to change where your Dropbox folder is created. Most people accept the default and let Dropbox create the folder inside the My Documents folder. If you're using a Mac or a Linux computer, Dropbox creates this folder inside your home folder. Click Finish and your new Dropbox folder will open in a new window. Now that we have Dropbox set up, let's take a look at Dropbox features and see how easy it is to use. Unlike other backup programs, Dropbox doesn't have a complicated interface to learn. It's all built right into your Explorer desktop. The first thing that you'll see is that inside your Dropbox folder, you already have 2 folders created for you. A Photos folder where you can securely save all your personal pictures, and a public folder to make sharing files simple. We'll take a closer look at these in a minute. Right, let's get started. To back up your files, you can drag and drop any file or folder to your Dropbox folder, and the program immediately starts syncing it to the Dropbox secure service. Once this is finished, the files icon is marked with a green tick. Your file is now safely backed up online and also accessible from the Dropbox website. You can create folders inside your Dropbox to keep all your files organized. To sync files to other computers, simply install the Dropbox application to other computers you use using the same account details, and they will receive a copy of the files that you put in your Dropbox. That's it. Now that Dropbox is watching your files, any changes you make will sync up instantly and automatically. This gives you the freedom to work on any computer you choose. You can also view and work on your files on the web using the Dropbox web interface. Again, we'll take a look at the web interface in a minute. Now let's look at the photo backup and sharing features. First, you need to make a folder inside your Dropbox Photos folder. This will be the name of the gallery. Drag your photos to the new gallery folder and your photos are instantly synced to the server. Again, that's it. Simple. Now your photos are safely stored on the Dropbox server and you can view and share your photos online. To send a link to your gallery to your friends, simply right-click on the gallery folder and choose Dropbox, copy public gallery link to copy an internet link to your computer's clipboard. You can then paste the link into your email, instant messenger window to share with your friends. Now let's take a quick look at the public folder. The public folder lets you easily share single files in your Dropbox. Any file you put in this folder gets its own internet link so that you can share it with others, even non-Dropbox users. So, as these files are public, you need to be a bit careful with what you share. These links even work when your computer is turned off because they're actually a link to the internet. Drop a file into the public folder. Right-click this file, then choose Dropbox Copy Public Link. This copies the internet link to your file, so you can paste it somewhere else. That's it. You can now share this file with others. Just paste the link into emails or any instant message conversations, blogs, etc. Now let's take a quick look at the web interface. When you log into your account, you'll see all your files and folders. From here, you can do the same things that you can do on your normal Explorer interface, but you can use the web interface from any computer anywhere in the world. You can upload new files, click on the folder where you want the files, click the Upload tab, click on the Choose Files button. Select the files you want to upload, and then click Start Upload. The files are then uploaded to the server and also sync to any computer you have set up with Dropbox. Need a new folder to store your files in? Simple. Click on the Create Folder tab. Name your new folder. Again, this gets synced to all your computers. You can also delete, move, rename, or download files and folders by simply checking the tick box of the file or folder you want to work on, and then either right-clicking on the item or click the More Actions tab. Just remember that anything you do on the web interface is synced to your computers that have Dropbox installed. Let's look at your photos. Here you have all the same options we have in your files, but in addition you have a gallery that you can view your photos online. You also have the internet link here, so you can copy and send that to your friends so they can also view your photos. One quick question people often ask about online backup software is, how safe are my files? Can other people get access? Well, all the best online backup programs use data encryption to store users' data, and Dropbox is no different. Dropbox uses the same secure methods and best practices as banks and the military use to send and store your data. All data sent from your computer to the Dropbox service is sent over a secure SSL encrypted link, and all files are encrypted before being stored. Even Dropbox employees don't have access to your files. So, yep, your files are completely safe. Right, I think that covers just about everything. So as you can see, Dropbox has a lot of great features and is very simple to use. In my opinion, if you're looking for a simple file backup program, want to easily sync files across multiple computers, store and share your photos, and be able to access your files from anywhere, you won't go wrong with Dropbox. If what you need is a fully featured file backup program that you can set and forget, then Dropbox may not be for you, and you should check out our other online backup software reviews at www.onlinecomputerbackup.eu. You can check out Dropbox for yourself by visiting www.onlinecomputerbackup.eu/go/Dropbox. That's it. Thanks for listening.